Hello guys, how are you? If you have loved to crochet, you have probably seen and maybe made one of Ellen Gromley's patterns. She has more than 2,200 designs listed her under Reveille profile Go Crochet, and she always coming with new designs for her beloved crochet motifs. I have recently been and enamored with owl motifs which continue to pop up sporadically in my work. Ellen's latest design, overstuffed seat cushion, started with overs but ended being more Rivoli like. Her words, not mine. Thought it sounds a bit odd. It really is a beautiful crossed cushion. She chose Baroque comfort for the project because of its durability and softness. It comes in a great array of colors too, which is very important to home decor and project that encourage the interplay. The colors you can get Allen's pattern in Brett Bara's new book Cross at Home 25 Clever Projects. I think ovals are lovely but underused shape and making a seat cushion out of motifs sounded like fun. Fun. I did not want the same thickness throughout the fashion, so I used repunta techniques, suffering cording under fabric that I remember from one of my early design classes in college. So when I mashed together motifs, oval and stuffing, this is what I came up with. One of my all-time favorite